If you're saying to yourself that you're broke right now, that you don't have any money, don't let that be an excuse for why you can't build this business. I'm going to tell you why. A lot of people will say that they want to build a business, but they don't have the money for it. But let's think of it this way. Have you ever had anything that you saw, let's say, at a store? Let's say you found this awesome item that it was so glorious, it's so awesome that you said to yourself, I need to have it, but also I'm going to look for the money to get it. And what did you do? Were you telling yourself that you can't get that item that you saw in the store? No. What you did was you said you want that item and you're going to find the money in order to get that item. And what did you do? You got resourceful. You looked for a way or ways of earning the money so that you can go back to the store and buy the item. And you did. Now, if you can do that for an item in the store, why can't you do that for your business? You may not be able to have the money right now at this present moment in time, but are you always going to be broke? Is your bank account always going to stay at zero forever? Get resourceful in a time of limited resources. I know that might be hard for you right now, but if you really want this, if you really truly believe that building a business is the path that you want to walk forward on, then what you want to do is quit making excuses for yourself. Change that self-talk of telling yourself that you're broke, that you're not made of money, that you cannot afford this. Stop telling yourself that. Instead, flip those beliefs around and say, I'm going to be building this business and I'm going to get resourceful however way I can. Change that self-talk and get resourceful. And when you do that, watch how your journey shifts.